Guys, this is my episode part of the Happy Films.
Naku, bigla yata sumakit ang ulo ko ah. Sige, maiwag muna kayo, kailangan na umuwi eh. Tsaka, maganda tingnan dahil ko ngayon. Kaya kailangan mo na ako dahil kapag wala akong tulog, tapos dumating siya, magagalitan ako.
Mamaya pa naman ang dating ng daddy mo.
Eh, sinabi mo nga sa akin maatis mo. Kaya, sa inyo na rin to, okay? Sige ah. Tsaka, thank you na rin sa'yo. Kaloy, bakit parang mo sumali?
Wait, saglit lang po, Ray.
Hello there, guys.
Ay, 39. 39 nak, no? 24 tsaka 15. 39 lahat.
Sorry. Season. Okay. 9 advantage. Okay. It's my ball. Okay. James Lawson. Good. Advantage. Oh, good too. He erased it.
Ha?
Bakit sumempo eh?
Okay na. Inangat mo na, kuya.
Okay.
Masaad mo.
Ano, kuya? Ano sa'yo?
Wala.
Wala ka pa ng bigay. Nabuboy.
Ang ito, check mo.
Ayun na.
Okay na.
Okay.
Bilang ha.
Oh!
Hindi bilang.
Wala.
Hindi pwede negosyo.
Okay.
Ano yung
Okay, guys. Wait, let me think. We're gonna play on live events. Gonna play daily shit around. If you win this, you have a reward. Carburetor. I don't think Carburetor is good in here. Shooting challenge. Oh, this is good. Oh, that was closely. Uh-oh. We're not gonna miss this. Oh, sorry guys. I'm gonna try again. This is one energy only. Oh no. What is that? No. What the heck happening? Yes, good shot. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh, he did some last one. Oh, sorry guys, try again. Here again. Okay, good job. Oh, we need last one. Last one only. Lastly one. Oh no. Again. Yo, we win the daily shoot around. Oh, I have live event master 1. Yes. I read item master item. What is that? Daily shoot around. Is this? Okay. Master item pack. Okay. Let's see. Oh, live events. Okay. Go to sets. Go to sets. And then I don't think I know. Where's that? Where's that? Where's that? Oh no. I don't know where's that. For players. Oh, trophy. Oh, for Master Russell Westbrook, huh? Good. With Master Russell Westbrook. The Master. Okay. No lucky box. Oh, it's for World Trophy. Go to upgrades. Oh. Remember, you can trade some players to get a trophy. You get 5 rounds. That do like that, and then you will get the silver trophy. Okay. Oh. Okay. That's for Pixel. Okay. Forget someone. Open pack. Oh. I got. Oh, it's for 1,000 only. Oh, what the heck's that? What was that? Oh, true. Okay. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching my episode 5.